Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the inspired home living Kuel stainless steel bottle. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So this is a stainless steel vacuum insulated bottle for storing cold or hot drinks. And this bottle has a 24 ounce or 750 milliliter capacity. But converting that 24 ounce into milliliters is actually more of a 709 milliliter capacity instead of the advertised 750. So let's go ahead and open up the box by cutting apart the sticky seal that's keeping the box lid securely closed. And looking inside the box, you can see the inspired home living Kuel stainless steel bottle. Let's remove it from its box packaging, and always making sure to check through and inside the box that nothing else is left inside. We're going to set the box on the right hand side of the frame, right there, and then setting the bottle down, and of course you can see that it is wrapped in a clear plastic bag. Let's remove the bottle from its clear plastic bag right there and just setting it to the side. You can see it does have a very nice satin finish, and of course it is clearly made from stainless steel. So the benefits of a stainless steel bottle over a plastic bottle is, of course, the environmentally friendly nature of it, and of course the other aspect is the health aspect of it being phthalate and BPA free. So you don't ingest any harmful chemicals in your body when you store your drinks long term. So just setting the bottle down, giving you a nice clear look right there. So as you can see, the bottle has a very plain and minimalist design to it without any kind of fancy styling, just very simple with a brushed satin finish. So right there, you can see the bottle has a nice consistent finish to it. And to give you some sense of size of this 24 ounce bottle, resting in the palm of my hand, right there, and gripping it. So that should give you some sense of size and perspective as to the dimensions of this bottle right here. And now this time taking a much closer look at the bottle. Looking at the base of the bottle, you can see that is very finely finished with no sharp edges and looks very industrial in design with those very bold and masculine edges around the base. With a hexagonal or octagonal shape right there. And looking at the cap, and you can see the depressions on the cap for grip, giving you a nice close-up look right there as I slowly turn the bottle. So nice impressions on the bottle cap to provide plenty of grip. And taking a look on the inside, you can see the mouth of the bottle and the thickness of the rim and edge at the mouth of the bottle. And on the inside, it's giving you a look inside the bottle and the finish of this vacuum insulated stainless steel bottle from Inspired Home Living. And now giving you another view and aspect of this bottle right there, right next to its cap. And just simply replacing the cap back onto the bottle and twisting the cap back on. Very simple. Plain bottle right here with a 24-ounce liquid capacity to store cold or hot beverages, with a nice satin finish all around, and those very nice machining or stamping around the details of this bottle at the base, as well as on the bottle cap. So nice fine detail right there, once again giving you a very close-up and thorough look at this bottle. And about 4 or 5 full turns releases the bottle cap from the bottle, so giving you a further view of the cap and bottle, so you have a better idea. And once again giving you that look inside of the bottle. You can see the entire bottle is made from food grade stainless steel, thus avoiding phthalates and BPA, which is commonly used in plastic bottles. So that's the Inspired Home Living Kuel stainless steel bottle. Thanks for watching and happy drinking!